Hey there, I'm back with more style videos. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about just like mixing prints. I love the idea of it and it's a little daunting, I'm not going to lie. So I threw on my Charlie camisole. This has a really subtle giraffe print, and that's kind of what I like about it, is it has a subtle print. And so with a subtle print, I feel like then you could throw over a more bold print, like a stripe in black and white, right? So we're still kind of in the same color story, very neutral grays and blacks, but then throwing over like a more geometric print, especially over a subtle kind of more organic print, is also a really nice thing. And because it's such a subtle print, it's not too noticeable and it's not too jarring. So I love that this two go together really, really well. Another thing you could kind of do is just to stay within the same color story, right? So I'm just gonna throw over like a gray shirt and I'm putting it over, and because we're in that same color story, you know, it's really cute and really fun. You could leave it open, you could leave it as a layer, and I think it's a really cute look and something different. I'm gonna try tying this. So you could try really anything really to mix and match prints. The last print that I'm gonna show you is to throw on our Norah cover up, which is another sweater print. And you might be a little hesitant because it's cream and this has a more gray background, but these two prints would go really well together too, because it's two kind of more organic prints as well. So I feel like mixing and matching prints is something that you just kind of have to play around with and try different things on and go for it. Be courageous. Don't feel like anything is weird or strange. I think anything goes. If you feel good in it, then more power to you. I applaud you for trying new things with fashion. Thank you so much for being here for my style videos. I'm gonna see you really, really soon. Bye. Have a great day.